welcome back to the Fuentes family channel. And again, this is Lorie. So, in today's video, guys, we'll be doing another street interview. We will be interviewing Filipinas from the Goa, Bicol, Philippines. We will be asking them what is the difference between a province girl and a city girl. Okay, so we are going to find out, guys. But oh my goodness, guys, this past few days it's been raining very hard here in Bicol, especially here in Camarines Resort. It's just the worst. Non-stop of raining. As you can see, look, I don't know. It's raining. And I believe we have a typhoon. We are under signal number 1, and the wind it's quite strong. So yeah. Anyway, enjoy the video, guys. Enjoy the interview. What's your name?
My name is Erica Ruiz.
Erica. That's a very cute name, Erica. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
How old are you, Erica?
I'm 22.
22.
Yes.
Are you studying?
I'm working currently.
Wow. What is your job?
I'm a call center agent.
Oh,
Yes.
really? Where? Inaga, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Wow. Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
You're very young to be working, right?
Yes, because um
You finished school early, that's why, right?
no, not yet. I'm working student right
Oh,
now.
working student.
Yes.
What course are you taking?
Bachelor of Education, major in English.
Wow.
I love
that's
English.
good.
Yeah.
That's good. Well, are you single?
Yes.
You are. Okay.
Yes, but I'm not available to mingle right now.
Why?
Responsibility first.
Oh, so you're. But if you saw someone that you're like, oh my God, I think, will you be,
Maybe a farm.
So, okay, so would you date a foreigner?
Yes,
Yes,
I'm
you-
open.
Any nationality?
No, I don't base on nationality. Nationality I based on characteristic of a person or the attitude. More like
Oh, okay. Well, that's good. Okay, so here's the question. What is the difference between a province girl and a city girl?
well, for me, based on my observation, um, city girl don't like to stay at home. They tend to go somewhere, which is they like to take photos, Instagrammable places like that to post on social media because they are very hooked on social media accounts like that. And the difference between the province girl, they love staying at home and they are very simple in terms of their um, lifestyle.
Lifestyle.
Yeah, fashion. Well, that's all. That's all I can say.
Excuse me. What about in, like, let's say, attitude? What is the difference between the two?
I think what I observed from the city girl is that city girl is very straightforward.
Straightforward.
Yeah. When it comes to something that they want to say, but when it comes to province girl, um they tend to hesitate on expressing themselves because they are very shy type of shy type personality. That's all.
How about in a relationship? What is the difference between the two? If they're both in a relationship.
Well, I don't really know how to answer that, but I think when it comes to relationship, um courtship
Courtship. Okay.
first. Well, for the province girl, they prefer to what do you call this? They like to be persuade
Mhm.
personally, not on using any social media accounts. And
Like the old way.
yes, the
right?
old ways, makaluma, parang ganon. And for the city girl, they tends to love, they easily get in love.
Oh no.
That's based on my observation because um 3 days or 4 days chatting on Facebook, they tends to get in love already, and then they meet up, and then that's all. That's the start of their
Relationship.
yeah.
Okay, for the last question, do you feel city girl are misjudged unfairly?
For me, well, yes, because here on our I mean here on our country there are, I mean, what do you call this?
Our culture, like that?
Yes, our culture is very um
Like Maria type, Maria Clara
yes,
type.
yes, that is all I can say.
And then, why are they misjudged unfairly? Why do you think so?
Because the way they act, the way they dressed up.
What's your name?
Jen,
Jenny. Okay, nice to meet you, Jenny. How old are you, Jenny?
20.
20. Are you studying?
Not yet.
Not yet. Oh, you're not studying. Okay, so, I mean, do you have job?
Not yet.
Not
I'm finding job.
You're looking for a job. Okay, are you single?
Yes.
You are. Okay, so here's the question, Jenny. What's the difference between a province girl and a city girl?
A province girl is para po siyang yung simple lang po mga outfit niya.
Okay, simple outfits, province girl.
Added po ang mga city girl is have a professional outfit, yung mga ganun po.
Oh.
Mga they clothes
Mhm.
sexy outfits.
Like this, sexy outfits, right?
Yes.
This is an example of a city girl outfit, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And what else? That's it, right? That's the difference when it comes to like clothing. Okay. Well, thank you. Um yeah, that's it. So anyway, here. What's your name?
JN.
What?
JN.
Jayan. Nice to meet you, Jayan. How old are you?
22.
22. Oh, look at the camera, Jayan. Okay. Are you single, Jayan?
Yes.
You are. Are you studying?
Not yet.
Not yet. Do you have work?
No.
No work. You're like her. You're looking for a job, right? Okay. So here's the question. What is the difference between a province girl and a city girl?
A province girl is ato bang mahayain.
Oh, they're shy. Province girl are very shy.
Tapos pa ang
City girl,
city girl at pang confident po idahon na sa diri niya.
they're confident. They're more confident. Oh, I love your answer, Sophie. What's your name?
Marjorie.
Nice to meet you, Marjorie. Okay, and how old are you?
26.
26. Are you a student?
Yes.
Yes. What course are you taking?
Education.
Education. Wow. What major?
English.
Wow, major in English. Are you single or taken?
Taken.
You're taken. Boyfriend, right? Okay. So anyway, Marjorie, here's the question. What is the difference between a province girl and a city girl?
Province girl.
Mm.
Simplicity.
Simplicity.
Yeah. And the way they
Dress.
dress. Yes. And and the city girl is they tend to be more educated.
Did
Yes.
educated? Oh.
There is Abayana, ano nalugod ko?
It's okay. They tend to be more educated.
Yes.
Educated with terms of what?
Educated because education is more, I think, more
Advanced.
accessible in the city compared to province.
What's your name?
Say
Sai. Nice to meet you, Sai. That's a very cute name. How old are you?
18.
18. Are you single? You're taken. You have a boyfriend. So Sai has a boyfriend. Are you studying? Yes. What course are you studying?
PSHM po. Hospitality
Oh, wow. Okay. So here's the question, Sai. What is the difference between a province girl and a city girl?
The way na sa mga pananamit po nila,
The way they dress?
the way na nakikipag-approach po sila sa tao,
Okay.
and sa pagpapalaki po ng magulang or sa pag-adapt po, pag-take po nila ng attitude sa sarili nila. Or,
That's the difference between the two, right? Okay, let's go first to the dress, like how they dress. How province girl dress and how city girl dress? What's the difference?
siguro po sa city girl, medyo revealing po kasi ano po sila sa mga dress color po yan. Tapos sa mga city girl po, medyo balot po or sa
Province girl.
Hindi po masyado revealing.
Okay, so province girl, they're not revealing. City girl, their clothes are mostly are revealing clothes, right? Okay, how about in attitude? What is the difference between the two?
Yung sa city girl po, medyo minsan po nawawalan sila ng manner or nawawalan sila ng manner sa, lalo na po sa mga nakakausap po nila.
Oh, so city girls mostly are they don't have manners to some people, right? Okay. And how about province girl?
Karamihan po medyo may manner kasi natututukan po masyado ng mga magulang. Yung iba lang po.
So province girl, they have manners because some of their parents are very, like they really look after them, right? Okay. So here's the last question. Do you feel city girl are misjudged unfairly?
Opo.
Why?
Kasi hindi naman po lahat ng babae na like city girl, porket revealing, pwede nang sabihin natin i-judge or sabihin natin may fashion po kasi ganun.
Oh.
So, hindi po lahat na na kailangan i-judge ka agad porket the way na nananamit sa pananamit.
The reason why you said yes that Filipino or province, I mean city girl are misjudged because
Sa clothes po,
of their clothing.
sa
Okay.
pananamit.
So that's it, right? That's the reason why. Okay, what's your name?
Shalami, Papa.
Shella May. Wow, that's a very nice name. Nice to meet you. How old are you?
20.
20. Wow. Are you still studying?
Yes.
What course are you studying?
Bachelor of Science in Information Technology.
Wow. Okay, what year are you now?
Second year college,
Second
turning third year.
This school year.
Yes.
Okay, well, congratulations. We wish you all the best. Okay, are you single?
Yes.
Wow. What is the difference between a province girl and a city girl?
I think for me, based on my observation, in moving province is like very careful to weigh as before, and city girl is the way to speaking like English or anything language.
So that's the difference between the two.
Yes.
How
For me,
for you? How about in a relationship? What is the difference between a province girl and a city girl?
right now, based on my observation, the way of city girl is to like maarte like to way before to province like I think like before like province girl Maria Clara.
Like very, how
Ah,
do you say that in English, the Maria Clara? They tend to be like very conservative,
Yes.
right? The looks, the attitude, very conservative. Okay. What's your name?
Christine Conmigo.
Christine. That's a very cute name. Nice to meet you, Christine. Come here, Christine. Okay, so how old are you, Christine?
19 years
19
old.
years old. Are you taken or you're single?
Taken.
Taken. You have a boyfriend?
Yes.
Yes. Are you studying?
Yes.
What course are you studying?
Biz Ed Science.
Science. Oh, so Christine is going to be a teacher, major in science. Wow. You sounds like, I mean, that's, for like smart people, science. Okay, anyway, Christine, here's the question. What's the difference between a province girl and a city girl?
Province girl is
It's okay. Province girl is come on. Province girl is
kumbaga ano yan. Hindi lang ano.
Taglish kung pwede, kung kaya.
Ang city girl po kaya mahilig sila mag-bar,
Oh.
maglakwat siya.
Oh, so city girl, they like to go to bar, they like to go anywhere, okay?
And province girl is
What? Province girl are is
marami silang alam sa gawaing bahay.
they're what?
Marami silang alam sa gawaing
Oh.
bahay. Tapos, di sila lakwatsera.
Oh, so what Christine said was, province girls are they knew a lot of household chores, right? And then they're not like a city girl that they just go anywhere, like they're like that. I don't know what is the term for that in English, but in Tagalog we call it lakwachera, and even here in Bicol lakwachera, right? Like they tend to go anywhere and just anywhere. So province girl, they're not like that, right? Okay. So I have another question for you. Do you feel city girl are misjudged unfairly?
Yes.
Yes. Why?
Because
Because
the mental block. Yeah.
the mental block. She's mental. Okay. Why? Why do you think city girl are misjudged unfairly?
Because nagre-revealing clothes in the
Not
revealing clothes.
because of the revealing clothes. How about my clothes right now? Do you consider this as clothes, or the clothes that city girls wear? No. What do you mean by revealing clothes?
Backless, kumbaga.
Backless, like showing their back, and what else?
And nagagamit sila ng sexy shorts.
They're-
Sexy shorts.
Oh, they're wearing sexy shorts. What kind of sexy shorts? Like not like this. Oh, she's wearing shorts, but do you consider this as sexy shorts?
No.
No. Oh, okay. So Christine, her answer is yes. City girls are misjudged unfairly because of the way they wear clothes, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Well, thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you for having this interview with us.